You're sitting in a room. You let out a yawn, and suddenly everyone around you starts yawning too. It's like a chain reaction. But how does this happen? Scientists say it's all thanks to our mirror neurons. Our brain automatically copies and pastes the actions we observe. But there's more to it. Contagious yawning is also linked to empathy. It's a primitive social reflex designed to maintain group harmony and connection. So next time you yawn, take a quick look around, because you might just be starting an epidemic. Did you yawn while watching this video? Drop a comment below.